Well, it's a Saturday afternoon and we're still trying to get out of here to get on our trip back to Maine. It's finally stopped raining here in Kansas and we're looking to get on the road quickly and make a few 100 miles today so that we can get closer to Indianapolis. But it's been a little wicked with the delays we're having with just stuff. Rain, what are you gonna do, right? So the bikes are packed, so at least we got that done, and we should be getting out of here in the next little bit. Let me show you what it looks like outside, and we'll probably hit some stuff going out, which, well, it is what it is. Getting ready to head out. There we go.
Huh? Marilyn Monroe, right there. Is that her?
That's not me, it's on the bike.
Were you riding them all around?
Yeah, we're heading out to Maine and Niagara Falls in Canada here.
Are you really?
Yep.
You gonna ride that far?
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, we've gone out to California. That's originally where I'm from. We've taken them on a cruise ship and rode Puerto Rico, St. Martin, St. Kitts. So yeah, we take off and go all over.
Well, it'd be kind of wet going to Puerto Rico.
Yeah, you gotta hold your breath for a long way.
What's your cause?
Just because.
Just because?
My husband did 30 years in the Army and he's never seen like the United States. So
Oh, nice.
that's pretty much why we do it.
Well,
So I guess our cause is cause we like it.
Well, thank him for his service.
You bet. He retired 30 years and then, whoops, he, civil service, and then he was a, well, he's over there. He's a retired chief of police.
Oh, okay. Well, I can understand why your white and blue is in. Go for the blue.
There you go, there you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dad was a police officer also.
Is that right?
In fact, he guarded Marilyn Monroe.
Oh,
So-
your dad did?
Yeah, and then he also worked on the Manson murders because he was LAPD.
Is that right?
Yeah, he had to deal with that psycho.
Wow. How cool is that?
Are you ready? I know, he's like, I'm always yapping. So he's over there going, come on, we gotta go.
Well, thank you.